She's awesome. She is very perky. She's somebody that I wouldn't mind having come into my home.
I really enjoyed Amy's personality. I liked the way that she spoke. Her enthusiasm was wonderful. I could easily see that she would be able to transfer that enthusiasm into her job of helping people get their home ready to sell.
I found out that you don't have to do all the remodeling.
I really liked it because I've been getting a lot of tips about, what to do when you sell your house. I thought everybody had told me everything, and then it's like, oh, that is a really good point.
I really liked Amy. She has a very good voice that you can hear very well, which I think is very important, and she seems very sincere and very helpful.